Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and today is There's a Card Thursday, and actually I'm going to show you two cards. Let me bring this up. What we did on Tips and Techniques Tuesday is we did the floating frame. Just a quick thing, you do take any cutouts, you can die cut them, you can hand cut them. I did the butterfly, botanical butterfly paper and cut them out, and then you lay them on a piece of cardstock, put a sheet of press and seal over it, pick it up, run it through the Big Shot with a die. You can use any die. I use the rectangular dies. Then you flip it over. You take it off of the card back that you had on. You flip it over and you put glue Stampin' Dimensionals on them. And then what you do is once you've flipped them over and you put all the dimensional on, you take the backs off and you flip them on either the card front or the card base. So I just want to show you how to finish these up, okay? So I am we're going to be using the Flowering Desert. I'm going to be using for this frame, I'm going to be using, I did the beautiful botanic butterflies, a piece of Whisper White cardstock. I'm doing a piece of mint macaron cardstock. I'm using just some Memento ink, and I'm going to be using some glue dots, but I don't see them here. So I'll get them out. Okay, and I'm going to be using some glue dots. So all I'm going to be doing for this first one is I am just going to be folding that as a card base. And then I'm going to use glue dots, and I'm going, well, first off, let's just stamp it. It's easier to stamp it. And I'm just going to use You're Awesome on it. Mary's wonderful there. And then I'm just going to glue dot it to the card base. And once I get them on the card base, all I'm going to do is line that up. And there you have it. You have a floating frame. I didn't get the frame too square, but there you got the floating frame. This one, what I would have probably done is I would have probably run this through either the butterfly folder, embossing folder, or one of the embossing folders, so it had a little more on it. But all I'm going to do is do the inside of this one, just like that. And that finishes up that card. So, 2 cards for 1 technique, and there you have it. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is down below, or on my blog at Mary's Stamping Happenings.blogspot.com. Thanks for visiting. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.